Today I will show you how you can go from this to this. Hey guys, this is Chandni and without any further ado, let's dig into the video. First, I'm prepping my skin with bit moisturizer from Pond's, which is their light moisturizer with vitamin E and glycerin. This one suits oily skin and does not cause any extra oily look. Do not forget the neck area. Then I am using a lip mask from Just Herbs. It is their mint lip mask. Taking a concealer, here I am using Lakme Mousse Concealer in shade Honey. I will use it on the darker and pigmented areas to conceal them. And also on some places where I have bit redness. I'll use my fingers to blend it. I'm also dotting them on my pimples. Some of my pigmentations or pimples may peek through, which I don't mind as it makes the makeup look more skin-like. Then, taking a dry sponge from Colorbar, I am dabbing it on my skin. This will make sure everything's blended and there's no extra product on skin left. Then making sure there's no creasing under my eyes, as that's the area where it creases the most. I'll be lightly dusting K-Beauty loose powder in shade Vanilla all over my face. Here I am using a big powder brush from La Cara F001. These brushes are truly luxury brushes. I just can't explain how soft they are. And the plus point is they really do not shade at all. And here comes my favorite part. From the eye portion and upper cheek portion, apply any blush in circular motion. I am using Biotic Starstruck blush in shade Coral Catch. It will make your face as if you have just had that naughty angelic under eye flush of color. And also I am dragging it a bit. This looks so charming in person and you don't have to use any eyeshadow too. Isn't that great? We can mute it a bit anytime using a dry sponge and again can add a bit more. Do not forget the bridge of your nose. Then brushing my eyebrows, I am filling it with Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil in shade number 1 Black. And after filling, I am brushing it to blend it. Then curling my lashes I will apply mascara from My Glam, which is their Twist It mascara, in my upper and lower lashes as well. I am brushing my lashes before and after applying mascara. This will take away any clumps that had formed. For my lips, I am using Nothing Else Matter Longwear lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics in shade 13 Rose Job. And this is it. Hope you like the video. If yes, please show some love. Subscribe, like and share.